My name is Tommi Lassila. I'm responsible for our sales and expansion in Finland and the Baltic markets. I joined the company 1.5 years ago. I have a long history in banking and payments in general, having worked for one large bank for several years as country manager and in the payment industry, both for Amex, Visa, etc. So extensive knowledge about payments and cards. The business is very interesting what comes to the transformation at the moment in the market, what comes to really adapting to the super agile, flexible platforms instead of the old mainframe legacy systems. So I wanted to kind of see what kind of difference it makes jumping from a very well-established large organizations to a startup. I really kind of like the idea of joining a fintech. It has been really an interesting ride. I actually have on my LinkedIn profile that I call myself a cloud banking evangelist. So I want to save banks from old legacy mainframe costs and the kind of slowness and the kind of burdens that they create. So I think we have a great story to tell. With an incremental kind of adoption, we can make a huge difference into the business that the companies are running. I think it's interesting when I have been working for some of the leading companies in the past what comes to very strong brand reputation and brand awareness like Visa, American Express or SEB Bank that I was working as the latest. When you join a company that you actually see and understand that we have a world-class platform, a very capable solution, but you don't have the awareness and the kind of market foothold yet. It's a very interesting journey when you're approaching different prospect banks or financial institutions in general, and you need to make an extra effort actually to gain the credibility. Sometimes it's actually very, very demanding, but when you are successful, it's very rewarding. Our platform is actually very impressive. The breadth of functionality is amazing. The products that we can cover and the ultra flexibility, hyper configurable product set that we have. When you combine all the different opportunities together, I know it's kind of artificial math, but I mean, when you can come up with over 45,000 different products, I think the right number is 48,000. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It kind of shows that we can do a lot, and we have a very good coverage in general what comes to all the key retail banking areas. It's a strong set, and there has been some very clever thinking behind when this has initially been kind of drafted.